We offer over 10,000 types of products, making us one of the most diverse cutting tool manufacturers in Taiwan and one of those with the most complex manufacturing processes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to TCMIC. Today we're at the TIMTOS exhibition, and we've invited Davey from Winstar Cutting Tools. Davey, could you briefly introduce Winstar?
Hello everyone, I'm Davey from Winstar Cutting Tools. Welcome to the 2025 Winstar Cutting Tools TIMTOS exhibition.
Davey, you mentioned earlier that Winstar is Taiwan's only comprehensive cutting tool service provider. Could you briefly explain how we achieved this?
Winstar Cutting Tools has become Taiwan's only all-in-one cutting tool provider, built on two core strengths: manufacturing and service. In manufacturing, we offer the most diverse and comprehensive range of products among all cutting tool manufacturers in Taiwan, with a fully integrated production process. Our offerings span two major categories: indexable and solid tools, supporting a wide range of machining applications, including milling machines, lathes, and multitasking machines. We provide complete tool solutions for milling, hole making, turning, and threading. But we don't just manufacture and sell tools, we deliver customized tooling solutions based on our clients' processing requirements, industry-specific needs, and workpiece materials. Our fully integrated end-to-end design and manufacturing service significantly reduces lead times. In 2024, we also implemented an automated warehouse system that allows us to process orders, pick, pack, and ship with greater speed and efficiency. This enhances our delivery competitiveness and ensures that customers receive the right tools on time, meeting today's demands for instant availability and fast response.
You just mentioned Winstar's one-stop production process. Could you walk us through the full workflow? Especially for customized cutting tools, what are the advantages?
Winstar's customized cutting tool manufacturing process is highly sophisticated, with the greatest challenge being the seamless integration of each production stage. We are the only company in Taiwan with a fully integrated indexable insert production line, covering mold design, powder compaction, hot isostatic pressing, CHIP, precision grinding, PVD wear-resistant coating, and cutting tests, with all 6 stages fully controlled in-house. This vertical integration brings several key advantages. Since all processes are handled internally, we can make real-time design modifications in response to special requirements, significantly shortening lead times and development cycles. In addition to tool manufacturing, we continuously invest in material R&D and coating technologies to ensure top-tier performance in durability, cutting efficiency, and machining stability. This enables us to deliver highly customized solutions tailored to various machining applications and environments. By maintaining full control from raw material to finished product, we ensure consistent quality and significantly reduce the risks associated with outsourcing. We provide expert consultation and optimized tool designs based on each customer's actual machining conditions, offering not just standard products, but real solutions to real challenges. This is the true value of Winstar's fully integrated production process: the ability to deliver high-quality, customized cutting tools and solutions with speed, flexibility, and precision, helping our clients enhance overall productivity.
You just mentioned that Winstar's products have a wide range of applications. In addition to metal cutting processing, we are involved in medical, semiconductor, construction, and energy sectors. Could you share how we achieve development in so many fields?
Winstar has long been deeply rooted in the automotive and mold industries, and in recent years we have steadily expanded into emerging sectors such as electric vehicles, semiconductors, green energy, and aerospace and defense. This progress is driven by our agility in technology development, material expertise, and advanced coating design. We create specialized tools tailored to the unique material requirements of each industry. For example, aluminum alloys and high silicon aluminum used in EVs, high-strength steels for wind energy, and heat-resistant superalloys for aerospace applications. Through academic industry collaboration, we have successfully transferred our accumulated expertise in tool design and manufacturing from traditional sectors to these new markets, helping our customers enhance machining efficiency while reducing production costs.
We are showcasing some advanced technologies at this exhibition. Could you tell us in which fields these tools are typically used and what challenges we overcame during development?
At this exhibition, we showcased a variety of high-end technologies, including micro-deep hole drilling, platinum coatings for machining high-temperature alloys and stainless steel, high-efficiency, high-feed milling, threading solutions, and customized inserts. The development of these technologies involved numerous challenges, such as the risk of breakage in ultra-long drills, difficulties with chip evacuation, and limitations in cooling. Winstar addressed these issues through the use of premium carbide rods with precision coolant hole design and advanced grinding techniques, all aimed at enhancing cooling performance and machining efficiency. For aerospace-grade stainless steel and nickel-based alloys, we developed a platinum coating with excellent heat resistance and anti-adhesion properties, significantly extending tool life. In high-feed milling, our new CXBN series features optimized insert geometry and coating design, greatly increasing metal removal rates. In threading, we offer a full range of indexable and solid tools, with customizable dimensions and thread profiles to meet a wide variety of application needs.
Besides technology, Winstar also excels in logistics, particularly with our automated warehouse management system. How does this system help improve efficiency for our customers?
Winstar's key advantage in logistics lies in our highly efficient inventory management and a fast, reliable shipping. Leveraging an automated warehouse system, we ensure precise inventory control, minimize human error, and guarantee on-time delivery of the right tools. With over 3 million items in stock, we maintain a steady supply of high-demand products to meet urgent customer needs. Our strict quality control processes ensure product consistency and reliability, while our agile logistics operations enable rapid responses to special requests, ensuring uninterrupted customer production at all times.
Looking ahead, what are Winstar's future development plans? Will we continue expanding into emerging markets?
Looking ahead, Winstar will focus on innovation in technology and materials, strategic market expansion, and the application of smart digital solutions. We are committed to continuously enhancing our R&D capabilities and cutting tools to help customers improve machining efficiency and precision. Our future efforts will emphasize the development of advanced materials and coating technologies. By collaborating with academic institutions and leveraging government support, we aim to accelerate the commercialization of innovative solutions. We have also developed an intelligent tool selection system that enables customers to quickly identify the most suitable tools and parameters, significantly improving both selection efficiency and machining accuracy. As industries such as electric vehicles, renewable energy, and semiconductors continue to grow, Winstar will deepen its investment in high-performance tooling for these sectors. We will actively expand into global markets, strengthen our brand influence, and deliver competitive, reliable solutions that drive value for our customers worldwide.
Finally, if our audience wants to learn more about Winstar cutting tools, what channels can they use to find you?
To learn more about Winstar cutting tools, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for the latest product updates, cutting demonstrations, and application tips. Our official website provides a comprehensive catalog and technical resources to support your machining needs. We also regularly participate in trade shows around the world, where we connect with customers and share insights into the latest technologies and machining practices.